messages, all thanks to StreamerBot. If we switch over to the StreamerBot instance we've been working on, you'll notice I've added a new action called Chat Relay YouTube. This action is triggered whenever someone in YouTube chat types a message. You'll find this trigger from the right-click menu as YouTube Chat and Message. In sub-actions, I've already added this code. You'll find this sub-action from the right-click menu as core C# execute C# code. Let's have a look at the code. This first part retrieves the username of the person who typed in YouTube chat, but if there's a problem and their info can't be retrieved, the code will end here and won't continue any further. The second part checks the username against a list of usernames you want excluded from the relay chat. For example, you probably don't want your bot account's messages relaying info about changing scenes. This code also ends here and won't continue any further if there's a match. The third part is a check for the user's message and will end here too if there's a problem. And finally, this part of the code means there wasn't a problem with the username and message using the format of YouTube username says message. Here's what that looks like from a recent live stream. So in YouTube, I'm just going to say hi from YouTube. So in there, we've got my bot relaying a message from YouTube. It says Cliff Creates says hi from YouTube. Anyway, compile the code to make sure everything's okay, then save and compile. Here's a couple of things to keep in mind. Check that you're logged into your broadcaster and bot accounts on YouTube by going to platforms along the top, YouTube and account. Private streams to YouTube don't have a chat, so make sure your broadcast is an unlisted or public stream to YouTube. StreamerBot has a limited amount of quota for YouTube, which means the relay chat might stop working while you're in the middle of a live stream. For me, this usually happens in the afternoon, so knowing this, I open the YouTube app to check in on things. I've heard the StreamerBot team are trying to work something out with YouTube, so hopefully that's all sorted by the time you watch this video. And that about covers it for today's video. For the next one, I'll be covering overlays like this one to display today's date, and a couple other things I do for my streams, so make sure you like and subscribe to be notified of that video. Also, a quick thank you to these awesome people for making this video possible. So that about covers it. Like this one.